Hey, have you ever been frustrated when it comes to coming up with a quick recipe or when you're put on the spot and you're in a rush to come up with a healthy option for a recipe? Well, I've been there myself. Hi, I'm Sue Wamis, the healthy habits expert, and that's what I'm going to show you today because so many of my clients ask me if I have any recipes that will do both healthier ingredients, and be quick and easy to put together. And here's the thing, it doesn't have to be as complicated as you may have been led to believe before. You don't need expensive items found only in those specialty grocery stores, and nor do you need more than a handful of ingredients or need a whole lot of prep time to make recipes that really taste good for everyone to enjoy. So down below, you will find my latest and greatest recipe collections and some free resources that I've made available to you because you've asked to be part of my amazing community. You are one of the many like-minded women that I help to make the smart changes that will become a part of a healthy routine. So if you have any questions, please send me a direct message using the chat button located somewhere on your screen, and I will personally respond to it myself. And on that note, enjoy the recipes and all the free stuff. And if you're not a member yet of my free Facebook group, then search for Weight Loss Warriors Wanting More Consistency. Can't wait to chat and reminding you to live healthier, be happier, and feel wonderful.